You're watching the second edition of Photo Merchant News, and this week we're very pleased to announce the arrival of our newest feature, Packages. With Packages, you can now bundle up your print products into a single package and sell them at a fixed price of your choosing. There's a new button that will appear inside your website shopping cart if you have it activated, and by default, your customers will be presented with all the packages that you have created in the back end. You can choose between a single pose, meaning one image is assigned to all the products in a package, or multi-pose, allowing your customers to choose the images they want to assign to each product. Pretty cool. We've already had a couple of clever monkeys use Packages to effectively create a buy one get one free product, and who knows what else could be achieved with all the different combinations. I guess only time will tell. You can create your own packages in the Business tab of the admin interface in the new appropriately titled Packages section. Stick around after the news to see how you can start adding packages to your website. In other news, we've moved the Photo Galleries function bar from the bottom of your gallery view page to the top, so it's now much easier to make bulk changes. If you haven't used it before, you can select multiple images using the tick boxes of each thumbnail and then apply bulk or singular actions like adding and deleting tags, moving images between galleries, reprocessing images, deleting images, or even set the cover image, which determines the preview image used to represent your gallery on your website. So that's the news for this week. I'm Kane Tietzel. Stick around after this video for a tutorial on how to set up packages on your website. Otherwise, have a happy Easter and keep shooting above your weight. Bye for now. Hi, I'm Kane. Welcome to the Packages tutorial. I'm going to quickly show you through how packages can be integrated into your shopping cart and show you how to edit and create new ones. So just to show you quickly how it works, if I add this particular item to my shopping cart, you'll notice that there's now a Packages tab that resides at the end here. I'm going to click on that Packages tab and it's going to show me all the packages that are currently available. As you can see, I have single pose and multi-pose packages available. I'm going to click on this one here, and you can see I've got the name. There would be room for a description. In fact, let's just choose this one here. This one here has a name, a description, and the items or the particular print items that we have available. And I'm going to add this package to my cart. I can then choose what's obvious here. I can choose 3 items to my cart. So let's add this one particular item to my cart. You can see I've used one, there are 2 remaining, and at the moment this package is incomplete. So I'll go back, choose a different image, add to shopping cart, and when I click on add to shopping cart the second time, it's going to take me straight through to the Packages tab if I've already added one, so that you're not having to do that every time. It speeds up the process. Click add, return to cart, and I'll choose one more. And I will now have 3 items added to my cart. And that's now changed to complete. If I go to checkout, you should see this package appearing in my cart. Now, just so you know, volume discounts will not apply to any packages that you have in your cart. However, coupons will still work. So if you want to create a $20 off at a certain spend coupon or anything like that, it will work with packages. Volume will not. Let's just go back to the architecture page I had before, and I'll quickly choose, I'll add one more package. I'll add a single pose. So these are my single pose, here's my platinum. I get all of these items at one fixed price of $315. Add that package. I'll add this one item, there's no opportunity to add more than one. Click add, and both of these are now added to my shopping cart. If at any point your customer can also remove an item from the cart, I'll just remove that package and it disappears. You can add as many packages as you want in your cart. It's entirely up to you. You can change the titles, the description, the items that are within it, and the actual prices. So let's go and see how we can set that one up right now. If I go into the Business tab, there's now a Packages sub-tab, and that's where you'll find all this information. There are packages for self-fulfillment and packages for direct fulfillment. There's not a lot different between the two. Pretty much the functions are exactly the same. I'm going to work with direct fulfillment at the moment because it's going to reuse all the existing products we have that are already built into the system. Certainly easier place to start. So these are some existing packages that I've created, but I'm going to create one from scratch. Create a new package. I'm going to call this one Bronze. And I'm just going to have a description that I added earlier so we can see what this looks like. Now, this is the title of the package. The customer is going to see this. The customer is also going to see the description when they go into that particular package. At this point here, I choose multiple or single. I'm going to choose multi. That package has now been created. Let's go in and add products, package items to it. This is where we add the items, and this is where we assign it to the particular gallery or category. For the time being, let's add items. Now we're using direct fulfillment, and this is based on a US account, so all the items and all the products that are available within direct fulfillment are available as a package. So I'm going to choose an 8 wallets print, quantity of 1. I'm also going to add 2 5x7s. 5x7, let's make it metallic, why not? Let's live on the edge. Save that. And you can see what it's doing is adding up all these wholesale costs to a total wholesale cost. And I'm going to add one more item. I'm just going to add a 10x10 canvas, I think. Canvas wrap, 10x10, just one, save. And away you go. So here's the total wholesale cost right here. Now before I go any further, before I can actually activate it, I need to set a retail price. So I might mark this up roughly by 50%, so let's make it $139. I click save. I can see my profit is $65. That's the retail price my customers will see, and my package is pretty much ready to go. All I need to do now is assign it to a gallery or multiple galleries so that I can then, well, I guess so that I can actually make it available for sale. So I'm going to click architecture. This is the only gallery I currently want to make this package available to. Move it into here. Architecture is now available. If I go back in here, I click add to cart, we should now see view packages. There it is there. There's my package that I've added straight away. Very, very simple, very easy to do. The only thing I need to point out is that if you do remove a if you do remove a package from a gallery and a customer has already added items into their own shopping cart, all those items will disappear. You can also, as you can see, apply multiple galleries to a package, which means the same package will be available across all of those galleries. But it also means that if I'm in architecture, I can add a picture from architecture as well as a picture from textures to a multi-pose package. Now, if you want to offer a similar package between different galleries but make them specific to those galleries, you'll need to create duplicates. Now, what I mean by this is, you don't want to have, sometimes you're going to want to limit customers to order from a specific gallery rather than rove across all of them. Let's take unsecured wedding galleries, for example. You don't want the Smith to buy from the Joneses and vice versa. So what you might do here is actually call this one the Smith family package. Press save. And I'm going to duplicate this one for the Joneses. If I could spell. Now the Jones package will actually have retained any of the gallery information I would have moved across. Oh, I lie. I do tell a lie. At this point here, I can now add a gallery in, and we have two separate packages for two separate galleries. So that's packages. It will work with digital downloads when we launch that in the coming weeks. That'll be exciting. And that's it. Thanks for your time.